So we opened our doors May of 2014. We started with a 20-barrel, 2-vessel brew house. We started with these 4 20-barrel fermenters. At the time, we thought that was going to be plenty of room. That quickly became not enough room. We started canning about a year later. We started making cocoa coffee porter, a raspberry blonde, 100% Simcoe hot pale ale, a couple of other ones. That necessitated these 2 40-barrel tanks pretty much immediately. So once we started making what we're calling Bout Damn Time, since we didn't come to market with an IPA, we needed some much bigger tanks pretty much immediately. So dropped in these 2 60-barrel fermenters as soon as we started doing IPA. We've since dropped in another 60-barrel fermenter, 2 more 40s, a couple more bright tanks, a centrifuge, pieced together our Frankenstein canning line, started a barrel program that now has almost 65 barrels in it. So certainly moving along and trying to press and push our industry to better and better beer. So we... Ball, who makes our cans, makes it very difficult because they require about 150,000 cans on a minimum run. We didn't think that was going to be very viable to start canning, trying to create, that would only allow us to have 2 types of beer in a can. That would equal 300,000 cans. That just didn't seem right to us. So what we did is we had them print white and green, and then we throw a clear label on everything we do. Since we started canning, we've put out 24, 25 different styles of beers. Again, really trying to allow the market to tell us what they want, rather than us trying to force beer flavors down their throat. So we have our depalletizer. Rows of cans go up. We have an arm that pushes those over to the side that then they get twist rinsed, so they get sanitized on the way down. Then they hit another conveyor belt. We have a 4-head Wild Goose. So it has 4 heads that purge with CO2. Then we have a 4-head filler that fills them up with beer. Then they hit this line that they get capped on. We have our seamer over here that seams them up. Then typically we have this other arm, this other conveyor that's actually turned into an L. That'll take them down. And then our next piece of equipment is our labeler. That's not in a lot of breweries. That's the piece that we've kind of taken and ran with.